Hi, today's session Adi with the students. I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, my dear students. I will be discussing about the EduMall, the best organization. Thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to New Zealand for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. The EduMall is considered one of the best because it combines quality, convenience, and trust in a way few platforms do. Here's why it stands out. Expert-led courses. Every course is designed or taught by industry professionals, ensuring learners get practical, real-world knowledge, not outdated theory. Structured learning pathways. The EduMall offers step-by-step learning journeys that help beginners become job-ready in a smooth, guided way. Affordable and accessible. High-quality education is offered at budget-friendly prices, making skill development possible for everyone. Updated content. All learning material is frequently updated to keep up with industry trends, market demands, and new technologies. Strong support system. From doubt solving to guidance, the EduMall ensures learners never get stuck. Job-focused approach. Programs are crafted with career outcomes in mind, from resume building to interview preparation. Community and collaboration. Learners can interact, discuss, and collaborate, making learning more engaging and more motivating. Let us see the thought of the day. And the thought of the day is, work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. The saying, work hard in silence, let your success make the noise, means you should focus on diligently pursuing your goals without seeking external praise or attention. Instead of bragging, let your accomplishments and results speak for themselves, as your success will be the proof of your hard work and dedication. This approach encourages humility, discipline, and a focus on personal growth and achievement rather than self-promotion. So, you have to work hard continuously without asking for praises. When your work will be successful, automatically the praises will be showering down on you and you will be happy. Let us see the importance of the historical date, 6th December. And today is 6th December. So, on 6th December 1956, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Chief Architect of the Indian Constitution, passed away, commemorated as Mahaparinirvan Divas. On 6th December 1992, the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya was demolished, leading to widespread communal tensions. On 6th December 1675, Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was martyred in Delhi for refusing to convert to Islam under Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. On 6th December 1946, Home Guard Foundation Day was formed, and it is regarded as Nishkam Seva as a civic volunteer force to assist the police during civil disturbances. Let us see today's word, and today's word is acumen. The meaning of the word is the ability to judge things quickly and clearly. And the synonym is insight, intelligence, keenness, wisdom. Antonym: stupidity, ignorance, dullness, poor judgment, foolishness. Origin: the root word of acumen is the Latin verb acumere, which means to sharpen. This verb is derived from the Latin word acus, meaning needle, and both words are connected to the idea of a sharp point, which is how the word acumen, sharpness of mind or insight, gets its meaning. Let's see one sentence with this word. She is a managing director known for her business acumen. So, today we have learned another word, and the word is acumen. Try to use in your conversation and make your vocabulary more better day by day. Why students go to New Zealand for higher education? Let us see the benefits of going to New Zealand for higher studies. And the first benefit is academic and career benefits. Globally recognized degrees, New Zealand universities are highly ranked, offering quality education with an international perspective. Innovative learning, emphasis on independent, practical learning, and modern facilities with strong industry links. Research opportunities, excellent support and funding for PhD students with full-time work potential. High employability. New Zealand always focus on practical skills, which makes graduate attractive globally with great career prospects. Post-study work visa. Generous options to stay and work after graduation with pathways to residency. Lifestyle and environment. Safety and peace. Constantly ranked as one of the world's most peaceful and safest country, and that is New Zealand. Natural beauty. Stunning landscapes, abundant outdoor activities like hiking, water sports and all brings natural beauty to New Zealand. Multicultural and welcoming. Friendly locals like Kiwis and growing international communities, especially Indian communities which have been settled down in New Zealand. High quality of life, excellent work-life balance, and lower cost of living compared to other major destinations like the USA, US or UK. Cost and support. Affordable, lower tuition and living cost than the many competing countries like the US, UK or Australia, and that is why the students prefer to go to New Zealand. Financial aid. There is availability of scholarship and support for international students. Supportive government. There are measures in place to support the international students whenever they require it. So, global study abroad, the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, always helps the student in making their career and help them to take to their goal. We welcome you in this mission and take you to New Zealand whenever you want. While going through the session, let us see one motivational story. And this motivational story will inspire you very much. The story is about the deaf frog. A little frog decided to climb the tallest tree in the forest. As he starts, another frog at the bottom of the tree shouted, "Stop! It's too high! You will never make it!" The little frog keeps climbing higher and higher, ignoring the voices. He reaches to the top, stunning everyone. The other frogs discover the little frog was deaf. He couldn't hear their negativity and thought they were cheering him on. So, the moral of the story is, be deaf to negative thoughts and doubt from others when pursuing your dreams. And keep on working hard to get success in your life, removing all the obstacles, negativity around your environment. And one day you will have a peaceful and happy life. So, at the end of today's session, remember our website www.theedumall.com. Our address 229 The EduMall, Swiss Solitaire Building, Kudhasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. We welcome you all. Find time to visit us and you will see that the EduMall will transform your life. Till the next session, I say farewell to you. Bye-bye.